kinetic energy, the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called as kinetic energy. Kinetic energy denoted as Ke equal to half mv square, mass and velocity. And one more definition, thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium. What is meant by thermal equilibrium? Two bodies having same degree of hotness or coldness is called as thermal equilibrium. Next, one more definition, specific heat. The amount of heat required to rise the temperature of unit mass of the substance by 1 degree centigrade is called as specific heat. It has units, Celsius units, calorie per gram degree Celsius, SI units, joule per kg Kelvin. Delta T. The amount of heat capital Q observed by a substance is directly proportional to its mass m. So Q directly proportional to m. Here delta T constant. Delta T temperature constant. This is the equation 1. Q directly proportional delta T. Here m is constant. This is the equation 2. From 1 and 2, Q is equal to m s delta T. So here m is called specific heat of substance. S is called specific heat of substance. Then we can get S equal to Q by m delta T. So here specific heat values also there. Water 1, sea water 0.95, lead 0.031, mercury 0.033. Here specific heat we have 2-3 also is there. In our daily life we can see watermelon. Best example, watermelon. Watermelon we can keep inside the fridge. It is having longer time coolness compared to other fruits. So water has great specific heat. That's why watermelon having a long time. It has coolness. Understood now? And next example, samosa. When you are eating samosa, you can observe the samosa appears to be cool outside. Compared to inside, it is hot when it eat curry is ingredient higher specific heat. That's why it has some hot inside. Outside, it is coolness. These are the examples of applications. Specific heat, you can do one more example problems. If you drink 200 ml of water at 20 degrees Celsius, what is the heat gained by water from your body? So we know that our human body temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit scale 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are taking here Celsius means we can take the units here Celsius also. 36.9 means 37 degrees Celsius. So what is given? Data we can observe means m value is given. M value 200 ml. 200 ml means 1 ml equal to 1 gram, we know that. So here m is equal to 200 grams. And the next specific heat of water, we know that value also. 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Like that, here delta T is given. Delta T means T2 minus T1. T1 is given according to data. T1 equal to 20 degrees Celsius. T2 value normal body temperature 37 degrees Celsius. So we can take this is T1, this is T2. We know that specific heat formula capital Q is equal to ms delta T. Substitute given values. M value 200, S value specific heat of water 1, delta T 37 minus 20. 37 minus 20 means 17. 200 into 1 into 17. When we multiply these numbers, 3400 calories is the Q value. Okay.